Yo, what is up, guys? Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. So today we are once again in the E36. You know, this car, guys, this car hates me. Every time I try to do, you know, a new mod, like I've been trying to, you know, get the windows tinted, get an exhaust, wheels, stuff like that, something always comes up. So I had just done the O2 sensors. I did one because it was only throwing the code for one, and then I drove it home and it threw the code for the other O2 sensors, so I replaced, you know, both of those. And then previous to that, did the camshaft sensor and all that shit. So anyway, I was finally gonna, you know, starting to look at some wheels and stuff like that. Check engine light comes back on. Every time I turn the car on, it's like shooting out a bunch of white smoke. So we took it over to my friend's shop. He diagnosed it. It's the valve cover gasket, which I had just replaced as well, but I think it's like the actual cover itself, just probably worn out, you know, 90s plastic or whatever. So you see back here, we've got a brand new, shout out FCP Euro. We got a valve cover for the car now. So I'm about to head over to my boy Eric's shop and we're gonna throw that on. I'll show you guys a little bit of, you know, him and doing the install and stuff like that, because I don't really want to be in his way or whatever. But I'll show you guys around his shop. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I'll pick up the camera once I get over to the shop. So we've got it all out of the box right here. This is the brand new one. Got my boy Eric right here.
Oh, yeah.
About to tear this bitch up. The lights are so sick, bro.
Oh, yeah, they look good, huh?
Finally gonna clean this stuff off the windows right here from the old tint. No more vacuum leaks. Did a smoke test. Chilling. We might get these wheels, guys. Throw these on here instead of these. Just for now, because he's gonna junk this E36 right here. Guys, I cannot make this up. So I drove the car, you know, after we did the valve cover gasket from the homie Eric's shop to the car wash. Everything was fine. Drove it to get some pictures of the new wheels with the homie Ramon. Car was fine. As I'm driving home, guess what comes back on? This. Oh my god. Literally cannot make this up, and I think it's idling kind of weird. But yeah, I'm gonna take it back to the homie Eric's shop and we're gonna, you know, see what else this thing needs. So stay tuned for that next video. You know, it's super annoying. Like, I'm trying to do other stuff to it, but this light just keeps coming back on. This car is cursed. This thing hates me. All right, enough yapping. I'll see you guys on the next video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.